Hey, this is Carlin Wilson, and today's video is FlyLady Baby Step Day 22. So today's baby step is to catch up on your control journal. And so if I know me, I know you, and that means that you may or may not have started your control journal and been utilizing it to help you with your morning routines. So today is a day to stop letting perfectionism stop you from taking action. Don't overthink it. Don't try to make it this complicated thing. Don't try to make it this beautiful thing, but just focus on getting it done. So today is the day to do that. Just take out a sheet of paper and write it down. Write down the steps so far in our morning routine and write down the steps so far in our evening routine. Something that has really helped me to get over perfectionism and making things look a certain way has been to allow myself to make mediocre things, allow myself to be a C student. A lot of the time we focus on things being perfect when really there's no need for it to be. If you think about your control journal, the point of it is to have something to write down your routines as they start to become second nature for you so that you remember what you have to do next. And you're not going to get graded for this. It's not like pass or fail kind of situation, but we still can focus on making it perfect because we think that for some reason that there's a reward or some reason if we don't do it perfectly, then that's going to reflect and mean something about us. But really, we can be C students in life because we're not in school anymore. This grade doesn't even count. So allow yourself to make mediocre things. Allow yourself to be a C student so that you can start seeing progress on the things that you want to see and make changes in your life. That's it for today's baby step. I have a link below with a calendar with all the 31 days of baby steps. We're almost there. We're in the final stretch now. So get that calendar below. It's completely free. Subscribe to this channel to follow along with all the days of baby steps, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.